Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we resoldering another connector. Let's start by restoring traces. Use flux to help with soldering. Clean soldered area properly, else UV mask won't stick. Make sure wires are aligned properly in the place of trace. Let's apply UV mask. Grind off excess UV mask. Tin all the pads. Place connector on the board and align pins properly, then solder all of them. Remove excess solder. Use flux to help with joints. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.